How to install or uninstall the Windows Media Player Legacy app. Windows Media Player Legacy is a lightweight and reliable media player still useful for kiosks, digital signage, and large media archives. In this video, we'll cover how to install or uninstall the app in Windows 11, along with key considerations before deploying it across your organization. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Before you begin, first, a few prerequisites before you install or remove Windows Media Player Legacy. You'll need administrator privileges, a stable internet connection if the feature needs to be downloaded, and, in some cases, the Media Feature Pack for Windows 11 N editions. For enterprise environments, tools like PowerShell and Group Policy can make deployment easier. How to install or uninstall the Windows Media Player Legacy app. There are four main ways to install or uninstall the Windows Media Player Legacy app in Windows 11. Let's start with the easiest one, through the Settings app. Method 1. Settings app. First, press Win+I to open Settings. Navigate to System and then Apps followed by Optional Features. To install Windows Media Player Legacy, click View Features, scroll down, check the box for Windows Media Player Legacy app, click Next, and then select Install. To uninstall it, scroll down, expand Windows Media Player Legacy, and click Uninstall. Finally, close Settings to complete the process. Method 2. Windows Features. You can also use Windows features to add or remove the media player. Press Win+R, type Control, and hit Enter. In the Control panel, go to Programs and Features, and then turn Windows features on or off. Next, expand Media Features and check the box to install Windows Media Player Legacy or uncheck it to uninstall. Click OK, then confirm your changes when prompted. Method 3. DISM tool. For system-wide changes, use the Deployment Image Servicing and Management tool, or DISM. Open the WinX menu with Win+X and select Terminal Admin. Run this command to install the app, and this one to uninstall it. Method 4. PowerShell. Finally, you can use PowerShell to add or remove Windows Media Player Legacy, especially useful for automation or large-scale deployments. Just run this command to install it, and this one to uninstall it. Deployment and security considerations. Remember, there's no direct group policy setting to add or remove Windows Media Player. Instead, you'll need scripts or registry changes. For enterprise rollouts, consider integrating this step into your DISM images. Also, pairing the legacy player with App Locker or software restriction policies helps control which users and devices can access it, reducing security risks from outdated software. With these methods, you can install or remove Windows Media Player Legacy in Windows 11 quickly and securely. Whether you're managing a single workstation or deploying across an organization, choose the method that best fits your needs. For more information, check out our official blog post on installing or uninstalling the Windows Media Player Legacy app, linked in the description below.